Hello, I'm Sankalp Dyal, a final year student of computer science, and I usually make like placement related and coding related videos so that you can do good in your coding rounds and interviews and finally get placed in a good company. So let's begin the video. So today we are going to discuss all the companies that a third year student can apply for, and this is the total list of companies that we'll be talking about in this video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe it now, and also do like the video if you find it useful. And there is also one secret thing that I will tell at the end of the video, so whatever I'm saying you can note it down, or like you can remember it so that it can be useful for you. And if we talk about all the companies in this image, so all the companies on the left hand side, like all the left hand side companies, so these are all the companies that visited to my campus, and all the rest of the companies that are on the right hand side, so these are the companies on which for which we can apply off campus also. So if we talk about the like CTC, so like categorizing them into the categories. So American Express is a super dream, Visa is also super dream, Microsoft is also super dream, Amazon, like most of them are super dream, and like Wipro and Deloitte may not be, and JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, HP, D Shaw, and then RBS, and then all of them are super dream companies. So and the CTC for American is around 13 to 14. For Visa it is around 15 to 16. For Microsoft it is like more than 40. For Amazon it is around 30. For JP Morgan it is around 14. And for Morgan Stanley it is around 25. For HP it is around 10. For Motor Q it is around like more than 60, and the base is more than 24 or 25 approx. And for BNY it is around 12, and for DShaw it is around 35. So these are all the CTCs for all the left side companies, and for the right hand side companies, like all of these are like more than 15 or 20 only, like less than 15 I don't think anyone will be. So Google is like 30 plus, PayPal is also around 25, and then Sprinkler is also more than 30, Adobe is also like 25 plus or 30 plus, and then Goldman Sachs is also like 30 approx, and like for other than IITs it is around 25, and Uber is also like more than 30, Flipkart is also around 20 or plus 20 plus, and so these are all the other companies that we'll be talking about, and we'll also talk about the placement process, like how they hire and in which like months we can apply to them. So now we'll start the video this. So if we talk about the time duration or the months in which they come, so for my like batch in July only one company was there, that was Microsoft, and the name of the companies are ordered in the way in which they came to our campus. And for August, the first company was Exxon Mobil, then Motor Q, then Deloitte, JP Morgan, then RBS. And then JP Morgan again came in March, and this time they hired for using some code for good competitions. So this is different than the previous one, and the previous one was like basic coding rounds they will take. That is the first round will be coding round, and then you can give interviews. But this is like different than the previous one. Now in September, DShaw came to our campus, and uh, they took around one or two students only. Then in October, Morgan Stanley came and BNY came. And BNY Mellon is a company that selects only girls, so boys cannot apply for that. And like both of them are super dream companies. Then in November, December, I don't think any companies came. Now in January, we had three companies that were HP, Virtusa, and Loe. And Loe selected their students using some hackathon that they had conducted. And then in February, Amazon came, then American Express, Wipro, Visa, and Amazon and American Express were only for girls, and Amazon like selected around 4 to 5 girls, and American Express conducted a makeathon in which they selected around like less than 5 people. And then in the month of March we had these 3 companies that came, and this last company was only for the chemical branch students. So these are all the companies that came in this respective months. So this thing you can note it down, or you can watch till the end for this. Now here are some more companies that you can apply for off campus, and these are some of the companies that visited some other like colleges, like other private colleges or NITs, IITs, and generally they hire in the month of July and August. Now some of the companies that I have arranged are Google, Uber, Adobe, LinkedIn, Sprinkler, Flipkart, and then like all of these companies that you can apply for. And in this, like many companies have some specific like hiring process that is only for girls. So in this there are 3 companies that I have mentioned that prefer girls for the selection process, or they have some like separate selection process for girls also, and one is common for both of them. Now in this, like all these are very good companies in which we can apply. And if we want to apply for any of these, like it is easier to apply if we get any referral from any employee of that company. And the and we can also check their careers page in which they always keep posting the like open roles that they are offering. And we can also connect to some people on LinkedIn that are from these companies, and they can also guide us like how the process will be there, and what like in which month they will be coming or they'll be hiring the students, or this process will start. So this was all for this video, and the secret thing is that I'll be uploading all this, so you don't need to worry about this, and all this will be posted in the Telegram channel. And I've created an Excel sheet for like storing all of this content, so you can check that if you want. And if you have any more doubts, you can ask in the comment section below, or you can also message me on LinkedIn or Telegram, so I will try to like answer all of them. And yeah, that's all for this video. And do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel if you have not done till now. And I'll be making a similar video for the final year students also, like with all the companies and the months in which they came for last year or the previous years, and what are all the companies in which we can apply off campus, and what is the process for boys and girls like separately also, and like combined also. So that's all, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.